dry, there's fear. Easy breathing in your atmosphere.
Good morning, everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you what it's like to live in South New Jersey, Southern New Jersey. When we travel and we get asked where we're from, we always say we're from New Jersey, but we get associated with the MTV show Jersey Shore.
You just have no trust whatsoever, so you thought I was creeping with those chicks, which I wasn't. I went on Wood Ride, God bless me, it's summer.
And folks say, oh, you're from
Jersey.
And that's not really the case. We want to prove that today and take you along our lives for a few days to show you what it's like living down here by the beach. Our hometown of Ventnor has a boardwalk. So we are going to be riding our bikes to Atlantic City along the boardwalk. They're connected, and we'll show you what it's like.
Like a rocketeer, without trying.
On the AC boardwalk. That didn't take too
Now
long.
I'm way up here, oh, high.
Famous crab fries, Twin Peaks. So it's still very early. It's only 7:34. So the AC boardwalk is pretty much dead in the morning, and then come around 10, 11 a.m., it completely comes to life and gets packed. So we sprint early in the morning all the way to our breakfast spot before the crowds, because it gets pretty hectic when you're trying to ride a bike and the boardwalk's crowded.
Seasons don't stop. The axis forgot to twirl when we were.
For all the folks who are into MTV Jersey Shore, then this day club HQ is the perfect spot for you. So this spot along the Brigantine Inlet is my favorite spot on this ride, because you're right along the water. The boardwalk's relatively a lot newer, so the wood is good, and there's people just enjoying the water, and it's just so peaceful. So this spot isn't anything crazy, but it's right on the water. Hopefully it's pretty good.
It's really good. I think it's really good.
Perfect break in the bike ride. So you go all the way from Ventnor to AC. That's the furthest point, and then you bike home. So it's absolutely perfect.
on top. When we were on top of the
All right, that was pretty good.
Now we're two.
Back home.
when we were on top of the world, the seasons don't stop. The axis forgot to twirl.
There's nothing quite like being at the beach in the morning before all of the people arrive and you can still hear the waves crashing and the birds chirping along the shore. It's pretty much the best part of the day. When Kevin and I moved back to New Jersey, he was pretty adamant about living by the ocean, and to be honest, I didn't really get it. But after living here and enjoying the peacefulness of the ocean throughout the entirety of the year, it's been absolutely incredible, and I can't imagine moving farther away from it because it's just so peaceful. We watched this documentary once, and they're talking about negative ions and how water produces negative ions that essentially make you happy. And I mean, I totally believe it. Being by the water, whether it's a lake or a river or the ocean, I really do think it makes people happier. Makes me happier at least, and I know it makes Kevin happier.
Got a way of keeping me up most nights. It's always worth the sleep I sacrifice. And love is too precious to trade for rested eyes. And you look beautiful in the morning light. Yeah. Well, I don't know how you feel the air in your lungs. You could talk your way around the big old sun, but I keep hoping at the end.
All right, we are officially back from our bike ride, and before we hit the beach, because it is a beautiful day out, we are going to enjoy some green juice. Kev's recipe? Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
It's your very own recipe.
It's a good one. Just a couple different ones combined together.
Spinach, celery, cucumber, apple, and I think some lemon. Oh, and some ginger.
We are headed to the beach. It's a nice day out, so we are going to seize the day.
We're bringing the surfboards because it's just, you're going to melt if you don't go out in the water. So hopefully the wind doesn't get too much on it, but we'll see. Our gear is still the same gear that we used in Baja, so it might look familiar to you guys if you've been following our journey for a bit. That's the beautiful truck that we're taking. Time to load her up.
There is a life I live in the city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart I'm sure somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow,
Ready for the beach?
will you carry me like I am whole again?
A little squeaky squeak, nothing to it.
Wait,
Will we find a spot to park? Probably not. We usually bike it to the beach, but since we're bringing the surfboards, it's so hot, we can't bring two boards on the bike. I can only carry one. It's a little too wide for Taylor's arm length, so. We're getting out there.
it's a small town jukebox, rock and roll.
Uh-oh. Taylor's gonna be pissed.
He's sinking.
Sorry.
Waterlogged and shit.
Sorry. Charge it.
It's that old school drop top, won't let you down. It's that hush, hush, here it comes, talk of the town. Make your head stand up and your chin.
He's about to nuke. I think we officially picked the hottest day to go to the beach. It is so humid out right now. You would think you're in Florida in the summer.
It's terrible.
Oh, it is pretty brutal. Time to go home,
I'm covered in sand.
shower, and cool down. Woo!
All right, so tonight we are headed out for dinner at one of our old stomping grounds. We used to love going to dinner here, but we haven't been in probably about 2 years. So we're really excited, but first, we're gonna pick up some guests.
All right, time to pick up our guest. All right, look who it is. Mom and Dad are with us. We are going to Twisties in Strathmere, which is a little bit further than what we're used to, I guess, right? Now that we live closer to Atlantic City. So, we haven't been here, I think, 2 years.
We prefer to go by watercraft.
Yeah, we used to go by a boat or a wave runner back in the heyday, but
Okay, rest in peace.
All of them.
both of those
Yes.
had some water trouble. So we're going by land tonight. So we are currently on our way to Twisty's restaurant, which is right on the water, and it's a perfect spot to get a little bite to eat for sunset, especially because the sun sets right over the bay, overlooking the restaurant, I guess. But if it's packed, then there's another place called the Duvel Inn, which is really got a good beach vibe, especially if you pull up on a boat. Sometimes they have live bands, not tonight though. So that's our backup plan if this place is packed. Good, how are you? Cheers.
What'd you get, girlfriend?
Chicken Caesar salad. Plain Jane.
Hey, cell phone man, what you got?
I got the world famous wings. I'm a little bit hot, so I'm more like a mellow wing guy, so we're going to give it a shot tonight. If it's too hot, we'll just have another Blue Moon to kind of cool it down a little bit. So looking forward to it.
What you got, Mom?
I got the mahi sandwich on a toasted rock bun with some.
I got the same thing as Mom.
This ship looks. So see the closest dock? Between the first and second string, right in the middle is where it went down.
What went down?
My buffet hat.
Hello.
Right. We wrote a letter to